Oh man, did that just happen? Did that really just happen? Did Builderall really just do that? Oh. In this video, I'll share with you what Builderall just revealed and how this strategy is perfect for every affiliate at all levels of experience. Yes, even if you're brand new. In this week's Builderall Weekly Update. That's right. This week, our CEO, Eric Salgado, made a huge announcement that is shaking up the online marketing world as we know it. This announcement could change the way you promote Builderall today and make your life so much easier in the process. Eric revealed that Builderall now offers the sophisticated and beautifully designed individual pages that represents Builderall's most robust tools. And each page is filled with features and benefits that make it easier for business owners to learn more about Builderall, how it works, and all of the power behind its tools. Go ahead and check it out for yourself by visiting our new Builderall homepage by clicking on the link in the description. Here, you'll find pages for each of our tools, including our super fast, easy to use, true drag and drop responsive website builder. This, along with other individual tools pages that now include screenshots, tool videos, and all of the information you need to know about each tool and how it works. This is a complete game changer for Builderall's current and future affiliates, because now you can share links to specific tools with your audience and they can learn everything they need to know before they decide to buy. No more guessing games or trying to explain the entire Builderall platform in one single sitting. So what are you waiting for? Start sharing the new Builderall homepage with your audience and see how their life changes after they learn more about this amazing platform. After all, who doesn't want to be able to create beautiful responsive websites or powerful sales funnels in just minutes without having any coding experience? It's here. You can finally stop dreaming and start doing. As an affiliate of Builderall, I, along with many, have been anxiously waiting for this new feature to be released. Now that it's finally here, I, along with your business, will only continue to grow as more and more people learn about the power of Builderall. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, click on the link in the description and get started today, right now. And if you get started today, I'd like to invite you to take full advantage of our daily lives happening every Monday through Thursday inside our Builderall University, where you too can upgrade your knowledge on some cool tips, tricks, and strategies behind our amazing tools that make up our one-of-a-kind platform. And that is this week's Builderall Weekly Update. That's my time, everyone. I'll see you again Monday.